돌무덤으로 시신에 대한 예를 다한 의문의 남자. 긴히 가야 할 곳이라도 있는지 밤낮 할 것 없이 걸음을 재촉하게 되고.
Good piece of land.
What? Hey, do I know you?
So how'd you lose that arm there?
Been Chickamauga one morning without it.
Buckaboo?
Jack!
Oh, my Lord.
He's coming, man. Whew. Mr. Somersby.
죽은 줄만 알았던 남편의 귀환 소식이었는데요.
There's another good man the damn Yankees didn't get.
Well, well, well. The Lord for bringing you back.
Thank you, sir. Is Laurel all right?
Son, 6 years, a long time without any word.
가족 못지않은 정을 나눈 중마고우와 이웃사촌들의 뜨거운 환대도 잠시. 제게 무사귀환을 가장 기다렸을 존재.
Go say hello to your daddy, son.
Hello, Robert. I'd forgotten how beautiful you were.
이 상황이 도무지 믿기지 않았을까. 가족들은 지나칠 정도로 침착함을 유지하고 있었고. 시간 가는 줄 모르게 이야기 보따리를 늘어놓기 시작. 북부군의 포로가 되어 감방 신세까지 지게 되었다는 사실을 털어놓게 되는데요.
What do you do in prison?
Froze like everybody else.
그런데 잠시 후.
Evening, folks. Take some of this while you can.
I guess you don't remember me, son. Joseph.
My daddy paid $100 for you.
Hey, Jack!
Yeah, all right. What do you got?
Swing this panther pill, boy.
One sip, I'm staggering like a new cow.
Hey, let's not get too friendly.
Next thing you know, they're gonna be moving up to the big house here.
술이라면 사족을 못 쓰던 친구가 입에도 대질 않고 난데없이 흑인들에게 친절을 베푸는 이해하기 어려운 모습.
What them damn Yankees do to you, boy?
Get down my head.
총탄이 날아드는 전장을 무려 6년간 누비고 다녔는데 사람이 바뀌지 않는 게 오히려 이상한 일일지 모른다며 애써 무시해야만 했고.
Handkerchief is brought home.
It's filthy. I told you to burn it.
Hate to lose.
성대한 환영식을 뒤로하고 드디어 둘만의 시간을 가질 수 있었는데요.
What happened here?
Oh, Yankees. I did save Granny's brooch by sitting on it, in a manner of speaking.
그런데
That's where you were sleeping before you left.
육 년 만에 제대로 회포를 풀어보나 싶던 기대가 무참히 무너져 내린 그때.
Swore if I ever made it home, I'd shave this damn thing off.
That's the first thing I remember about you. Looking more like some kind of a wild animal than a man.
Is that what you wanted? Something wild?
Dangerous, different.
당장이라도 목을 베어버릴 것만 같은 살기 넘치는 면도.
I'm thinking, who is this man sitting in my kitchen? Good night.
Get used to each other again, don't we?
I guess so.
6년이라는 시간이 가져다준 남편의 낯선 향기. 진짜로 내 남편이 맞는 건가라는 의심의 싹이 돋아나기 시작하죠.
So where is he?
Oh, he wanted to see the farm.
But I have heard stories of men being away and finding their wives married again and realizing it wasn't nobody's fault. She'd just fallen in love with a
Lauren,
new
please.
man.
I know that you're hurting, and we weren't married yet. Now, he's my husband.
That's right. Lays a hand to you again, I'll have to break.
Please.
하지만 이대로 물러서기에는 아쉬움이 컸던 걸까. 오리는 제게 있다는 농장을 찾아가 M1 시비를 걸게 되고.
Look, I know what you've done around here.
What I've done, I haven't done for you.
She's made her choice.
She had no choice.
난데없이 나타나 아내를 내놓으라는 황당한 주장. 잠시 후 자세한 자초지종을 들을 수 있었죠.
Well, I told Oren I'd marry him next year if you didn't come back. He's put a lot of hard work in here, and we owe him. Now, I want you to be nice to him. It's hard for him getting this close and all.
You ever get this close to? Did he kiss you?
No,
Why didn't he?
because I never said that he could.
But he's not here, and I am, and I want to.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna ask Oren if I can kiss my wife.
그리고 그날 저녁.
Where Where'd you find that?
It's in the trunk. He sold this the whole first month we were married.
Do you remember that?
A lot of important things. Never leave my mind, never will.
Come on, 9 years. Need some washing. You remember making our son? Seems like after that you never much wanted me anymore.
Seems a whole lot different now.
You want to sleep in the other room?
전쟁이라는 재앙이 이 부부에게는 전화위복이 되어버린 듯
Hey, boy. Let's go to town. Get shoes.
10수년 만에 관계를 갖게 되고
Mama don't let me drive.
Guess we gotta mind Mama, don't we? Say it how.
Huh?
Say it louder.
There's a lot of dead men's footprints on this wall. Truly glad you didn't follow them, Jack. Let me have that foot.
Foot's 2 sizes smaller now.
That ain't mine.
See, I wrote your name right down here at the bottom. That could have happened.
I see the future.
Back up, Jack. Too cold,
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
You ever planted anything on the field except your foot up somebody else's backside?
Now, you all want to hear what I have to say? I'm going to give you all a piece of my land, each and every one of it. And you keep half of the crop when it comes in. Now, I'll take my share of the crop. I'm going to pay off the mortgage. You can buy that land you've been working for a fair price.
You talking about selling?
Would have died before he sold the land.
He did.
황무지가 되어버린 농경지를 유일하게 살릴 수 있는 방법인데다가 담배의 시세가 천정부지로 오르고 있는 상황. 이건 무조건 해야만 하는 프로젝트가 아닐 수 없었고
Those who work the land, they get to buy. That means colors and all.
Nobody squats on my land.
I ain't living next to no.
Oh, you ain't? No?
그런데 인종 문제를 시작으로 기다렸다는 듯 딴지를 걸기 시작.
Oh, it's worth about 2,000 times its weight in gold. You got no cash. Where are you gonna get money for tobacco seeds?
We're all sitting on a little something. Put all of it together, all those little things. We got something then. We got
이렇게까지 했음에도 온갖 비아냥이 끊이지 않던 그때
Well, I got a ruby brooch worth $1,000.
가진 자가 말로만 떠드는 게 아닌 자신의 것을 먼저 내어놓는 솔선수범을 시전.
Thank you, John. Well, it is me.
IMF 금 모으기 저리 가는 모금 행렬을 이어가게 되고
You won't regret it, Miss Bentley.
How many acres you want to work, Joseph?
Well, he's thinking about 10. You will be coming back now, won't you, sir?
Godspeed, Jack.
Thank you, sir.
마을 전체의 희망을 모아 제기먼 여정을 떠나는 사이 주민들은 담배 농사를 짓기 위한 사전 작업에 여념이 없었는데요.
Any news, Miss Laura?
No, not yet.
그렇게 제법 많은 시간이 흐른 어느 날
Where did you come from, sir?
I had to go all the way to Virginia.
I don't look like much, does it?
Come on, look at it.
You look at it.
문제는 로렐에게 있어 담배 씨 따위는 전혀 눈에 들어오지 않았다는 사실. 그렇게 밤낮 할 것 없이 두 가지 일에 매달린 채 마침내 일과 사랑 그리고 행복한 가정 모두에서 소기의 성과를 거둘 수 있음에 기뻐하는 것도 잠시.
Should be further along by now.
We gotta fertilize them, boys.
집단지성의 힘으로 위기를 긋고 다시금 담배는 무럭무럭 자라날 수 있었는데요.
Snap. Every one of them gotta go.
그러던 어느 날
Said to use the fertilizer in the field, Jack.
문제는 인생사에 있어 기쁜 소식은 나쁜 소식과 나란히 함께 다닌다는 거죠.
What the hell is it?
I believe it's a hornworm, sir.
Crawling all over them.
They gonna eat us up, sir. Maybe Mr. Oren knows.
Damn if I'll ask him.
You gotta ask him.
I said no!
How are you?
Not too damn good. How are you?
This Jack Summersby's place?
무언가 심상치 않음을 직감해 버린 로렐.
Who are those men?
I don't know.
What did they want?
Forget about it.
But I saw you.
I said forget about it!
Gonna worry about something, worry about them!
늘 부드럽게 대해주던 남편은 온데간데 없이 마치 전쟁 이전으로 돌아간 것 같은 생경한 모습과 마주하게 되고
Howdy. Morning. Got any water?
Heard you hate problems.
I got a big barrel at the end of the row you can fill up.
That keeps them off?
Yep.
Hamilton Sayre gave me the recipe.
Yeah, I'll have to shake his hand next time I see him.
제게 어려움을 외면하지 않은 올인의 배려 덕분에 농장은 다시금 활력을 되찾을 수 있었는데요.
Oh, now, Esther.
They've just been at your place looking for work, and one of them's got his neck. Somebody claiming to be Jack Summersby tried to kill him. Said he'd been with the real Jack when he got his chest. He didn't know who Ham says. Best friend he ever had. You've known all along, haven't you? Why, Lord? Why in God's name are you carrying some stranger's child?
올인의 주장이 사실이라면 로렐은 진짜 잭이 아니라는 사실을 알았음에도 진짜 남편으로 대하고 있었던 것, 이 사실을 곧 폭로하겠다며 올인은 협박을 이어가게 되고.
So who do you think I am? I'd like to know one thing. Do you love me?
You're drunk.
It's not the point, though. The point is...
If you loved me, you would stop this sinning and you would leave me alone. Do you know him? Is he dead?
He's right here. He's right here in front of you, right now. The boy.
You get out of this house!
No. I ain't leave. I'm home now. I ain't gonna leave again. May God strike me dead if I am not.
겨우 로렐의 의심을 거둘 수 있었는데요. 그런데 그날 새벽.
I let it burn, sir!
Who the hell are you?
You have broken the law, sir, and he is paid. Can't own land.
By law, he can own what he pays.
잭의 흑인 우호 정책에 반감을 품은 이들의 횡포였던 것. 잭과 조셉을 향해 총구를 겨누며 일촉즉발의 위기 상황이 되어버렸고. 그럼에도 한 발자국도 물러서지 않은 잭과 가족들의 용기, 겨우 아무런 피해 없이 상황을 정리할 수 있었는데요.
Kill that dog, didn't you? He knew you for a stranger, so then you had to kill him.
Nice torch. Save it from last night?
Who are you? You tell me who you are. I'm gonna burn this place down. You're a liar and you're a thief.
문제는 진짜 빌런 올인이 기다리고 있었다는 사실. 진짜로 한 명이 죽어나가야만 다툼이 끝날 것만 같던 그때.
Mama's having a baby.
Can I hold her? It's called Rachel after your mom.
레이첼이 진짜 복덩이인 게 올인과의 다툼도 멈추게 해준 데다가 지긋지긋했던 해충까지 완전 박멸.
Smoke there, Reverend.
Mighty smooth. How much you reckon we're gonna get?
I'll be happy with $8 on a hundredweight. That get you a new spire on the church.
한동안 마을 주민들 사이에선 웃음이 끊이질 않았는데요. 그러던 어느 날.
John Robert Summersby, we have a warrant for your arrest.
My arrest for what?
The murder of Mr. Charles Conklin in Jackson, Mississippi.
5 minutes, Mrs. Summersby.
남편이 살인을 저질렀다는 청천벽력 같은 소식.
I want you to tell me. I don't care what the answer is. I'll stay by you. Did you do this?
No, I did not.
지금까지 늘 그래왔듯 남편을 향한 무한한 신뢰를 드러내는 것도 잠시.
All rise, please.
어느덧 쏜살같이 진실을 가릴 운명의 날이 다가왔고.
Well, we were playing a game of 5 cards. Saw Summersby slip a card off the bottom of the deck.
And what happened when you got outside?
And Summersby got up with a gun in his hand, but he shot him like a dog.
Here in this courtroom.
That's him.
문제는 비단 이 남자가 증언의 전부가 아니라는 사실.
All rise.
수많은 단서와 정황들이 서머스비를 범인이라 지목한 채 첫 공판이 마무리되고.
Way things are going, he's gonna hang. I can make sure he don't.
Al, if you tell them who you are, then they'll have to let you go.
Not again.
Yes, again. Just who you are.
Do you really want to know? Jack Summersby.
결국 고집불통을 꺾지 못한 로렐.
I accept your offer.
The defense calls as its first witness, Mrs. John Summersby.
올인을 찾아가 의문의 띠를 맺은 채 스스로가 법정 증언대에 서게 되죠.
Could you please point your husband out to the court?
No, I cannot. Because my husband is not in this room.
Silence, Your Honor! Defendant is not your husband?
As clearly as I can.
And when did you realize that this man was not John Summers?
He couldn't remember a lot of the things. His own dog didn't know. He never talked about his father. And he'd just been the whole world.
하지만 더 결정적인 증거는 따로 있었는데
After that, when we were together in a private way, I knew it wasn't Jack. A woman would know her own husband.
그리고 이어지는 추가 증인의 등장.
The defense calls Mr. Matthew Fultz. Do you see the defendant?
Yes, sir. His name is Horace Townsend. Well, he was the school teacher in Redthorn for a short while.
그렇지만 이내 곧 본색을 드러내기 시작. 주민들에게 새 학교를 짓겠다는 명목으로 돈을 먹튀해버렸고
Joined the army, ran out on that. Heard the Yankees found him hiding behind the bushes. That man is a liar, a thief, and a deserter.
이로써 그가 가짜 잭이라는 사실을 입증. 재판의 양상이 180도 뒤집혀버린 그때
Your Honor, if I dismiss my attorney, may I then speak? Your Honor, Mr. Webb here's trying to prove I'm not who I am.
You could win your life, sir.
Without my name, I don't think I have a life.
Very well.
결국 피고의 의견을 존중, 질의를 이어가게 되죠.
You testified that you knew me as soon as you saw me. Since the time that you said that I lived in Redthorn.
I don't believe so.
But I do believe so. Dressed up like a bed. Didn't you and your white knights of the Camellia burn a cross?
I did not.
You don't recognize the authority of this court at all. Real reason. You are property owner on a level with citizens like yourself.
애당초 가짜 잭을 입증하는 게 목적이 아닌 그를 사기꾼으로 몰아감으로써 백인이 다시금 우위에 서기 위한 잔꾀에 지나지 않았던 것.
Jury will disregard the testimony of that witness.
결국 폴섬은 위증의 벌을 받게 되고
How many of y'all here from Vine Hill? How many willing to swear I'm Jack Summers?
I will.
I'll swear. Appear one by one, Your Honor, or bring Mrs. Summersby back up here. Laurel, you really believe I'm not your husband?
Yes, you are not.
You let everybody believe that I was.
Yes, because I guess I wanted you to be him as much as they, because I was worn out from work. I was lonesome. I mean, I didn't want my son growing up without a father.
Let a man sign contracts with him if he wasn't. Wouldn't be worth the paper it's printed on. They wouldn't own anything. You tell all these good folks that you've been lying to them this whole past year. I think they know you better than that, Laura. I know who I am. I think the only two people here who don't are you and Warren. You make some kind of a deal with Orrin? What does he expect in return?
Stop this.
No, you stop.
I promised him everything would be the way it was before you came.
Except you would be promised to a man you don't love. I would be some piece of scum named Horace.
이렇듯 진짜 남편이 맞다 아니다. 갑론을 박이 한창이던 그때
I know because I never loved him the way that I love you.
Tell me, Laurel, from your heart, am I your husband?
Yes, you are.
Thank you.
Mr. Dawson, I'm afraid you've argued most effectively. Identity not being in question leaves little room for doubt about your guilt. Don't you have anything else you want to say about that?
이미 마음을 굳혀버린 듯 침묵을 선택하게 되고
How much should we get?
Got 12?
예상했던 $8를 훨씬 상회하는 놀라운 실적에 기뻐하는 것도 잠시.
What am I supposed to tell him?
You tell him his daddy never killed anybody.
What about Horace Townsend?
Horace Townsend. I knew Horace Townsend. Everything they said about him in the courtroom, it was true. I hated the bastard. The piece of luck he ever had was some man who looked just like him. I guess after spending 4 years in that cell together, they knew everything there was to know about each other. Anyway, he's dead now.
Who?
Horace.
But you didn't kill him.
No, he got stabbed the night that he killed Conklin. Buried him on a hill.
You mean you buried Jack, don't you?
I mean, I buried Horace. For good.
You gotta tell that judge with me. That's what love is.
I don't want that. Laura, you don't understand. If I'm Horace Townsend, we got no home. I will not be Horace Townsend again.
호레이스의 삶을 버리고 싶을 만큼 탐이 났던 진짜 잭의 풍요로운 삶과 아름다운 아내. 무려 4년이라는 긴 시간 동안 진짜 잭의 삶을 답습한 가짜 잭은 사기꾼이라는 과거를 버리고 새 출발을 다짐하게 되지만 이내 곧 쓰레기처럼 살았던 자신의 과거와 더 쓰레기 같았던 진짜 잭의 과거가 발목을 잡기 시작.
Forgive me the worst.
It was always you. It was always you.
결국 재판대에 서게 됨으로써 로렐과의 행복한 여정에 마침표를 찍을 수밖에 없었는데요. 물론 영화가 진행됨에 있어 이성적으로 이해되지 않는 포인트들이 없진 않지만 그 모든 것을 사랑이라는 두 글자로 상쇄시켜버리는 그만큼 위대했던 90년대의 사랑에 대한 가치관을 엿볼 수 있어 더욱 매력적이었던 작품 서머스비였습니다.